Hey guy, Crypto Whiskey here, bringing you another little Bitcoin update. Something that digging around, just playing around with the charts and noticed and found today. Um, we have the daily chart of Bitcoin pulled up right here, and a friend of mine mentioned something, and he's putting it on his podcast and um, his channel, but I got to look in it. It makes a lot of sense, and I really like it. But we have the Wyckoff reaccumulation schematic pulled up right here, and you can Google that and look for yourself. But it's really similar. And Wyckoff, go read, go learn, go study, goes way back. A lot of great stuff. But accumulation, distribution, redistribution, lots of good charting techniques, patterns, things like that. But we'll jump right into it. This right here is eerily similar to where Bitcoin's at right now. And if this pattern is to continue on and play out, we're right there. We've jumped across the creek. We're ready. We're ready to take this leg up here. And I'm guessing we probably, since we the only real difference is here is we didn't quite have that second test of the high, just a little off. But I think we can kind of disregard that just after the run that we've had. But if that's the only similarity that's not perfect, I think I'm going to be okay with it. I'm looking that this comes up here soon, next couple of weeks, and we have a retest of 74. And I think rather than retest in a range, we'll probably test for a couple of days right there at that 74 level and then break through, back test above it, and then we go again. And this could take as long as to September to play out. And that would also coincide with a lot of rate cut stuff going on. But I just wanted to bring this to y'all, man. And it's, a lot of people's panicking. They had this little downtrend right here. It's not. It's in the grand scheme of things, they say when in doubt, zoom out. And you really should. We can pull up the weekly and just take a look. I mean, this is, come on. Come on, who's panicking? Why would you panic? We're sitting here consolidating above the previous all time highs. Yeah, a couple little wicks down. Who cares? We've made a massive run. If you watched my video, I alerted everyone down here. Matter of fact, by the time I got the video uploaded, it was from like 15.8 to 17, but it's on my video. Alerted everyone. The bottom was in by around 17.3 or so. Go watch it. But the point is, we have targets, and I think the targets are going to be met. They're looking better and better each day. Not to mention, on the weekly, we're starting to lose that little bit of sell pressure coming in on the MACD. And we've got away from being overbought, and we're right there bouncing around neutral into the bullish control zone. Two big, beautiful weekly candles above levels. I can't complain. I'm not bearish. I'm not scared. I've been holding since right here, hanging on, waiting for my day in the sun, and it's coming. And then we probably have anywhere from, I feel like somewhere between 10 and 15 months left in the cycle, and before we see a top. And I think it's going to put us, unless this ETF stuff keep growing, unless this upcoming Ethereum ETF, which is another video coming up next week, if it hits, it could drive the entire crypto market. But I would be looking somewhere between the 140, 180 range. We could just blow up to 200 because the hype, the just everything, once it gets to that 100K range, people's going to be going nuts. There's going to be some profit taken, probably a pullback, but then it's going to be an opportunity. But right now, if you're not in it or you need to add to, I would say you probably want to think about doing it before it gets out of hand, because it gets out of hand real quick. We're over a year into this bullish cycle. We probably have another year left, realistically. It's just you break down the 4 year cycle. Go watch Bob Lucas; he's expert at it. I love it. But just wanted to point that out. That is eerily similar, and I love it. And especially, you look right there on the daily. That's it, man. That's Wyckoff redistribution at its finest. So y'all hang in there. Please like, subscribe, and check out my Discord link in there at the bottom. You can come trade with us every day. We trade all the markets and alerts posted. Good group of guys. The link's there. Appreciate it. See y'all next time.